What's up guys, I'm Damien from adapt&diy and today I will show you how I made a pallet playpen for my new puppy. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and let's begin. Before we begin, let's have a quick view of the different tools and equipment I've used for this project. The first thing I'm going to do is to take the dimension of the area where the playpen will be located. My new puppy is an American Staff, and 90 cm is an ideal height for the playpen. I've marked the cutting line before the pallet blocks and start to cut along the line with my circular saw. I can now put aside the blocks section and start pulling apart this board. I use two pieces of waste as workplace and remove all nails in the boards. Once I have all my boards, I can now give them a good sanding with my finishing sander. I've prepared a jig for my circular saw so that I can make sure that all boards are 90 cm long. All the boards are now ready to be assembled. I've started to assemble the corner part which will be fixed later to the wall. With the help of two pre-cut pieces of wood of 5 cm, I can make sure that all boards have a uniform spacing. Let me explain quickly the design features. You will see that the boards are fixed vertically. This is to prevent the puppy to have something to climb. The top rails are fixed horizontally so that we can bend over the playpen without getting hurt. Saying so, let's continue. So, for the door I've marked the cutting line 25 cm from the bottom to prevent the puppy to go away when I open the door. The bottom rail is fixed first to the door before I get it cut. When I've cut the door, I've noticed that the bottom boards are kind loose, so I've decided to change it to a larger rail, which worked very well. I can now mark the location of the hinges and fix it. To complete the door, I fixed the top rail and I'm ready to move to the upper part of the playpen. To secure the door, I've installed a door latch. A hole is drilled through the top rail and the door to insert an old Allen key. The playpen is then screwed to the wall. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you turn on the bell notification to get notified when I post a new video.